How long AZ is installed inside the PTTPLM is around 2 years. Now in March it's exactly 2 years. Has been started in March 2008. Now we are in March 2010. And the initial origin is from a big workshop called ISC that we organized in January 2008, and where in fact was the beginning of the project. And during this ISE we found a good idea to install AZ on the project. Since March 2008 we have done around 150 workshop sessions, so-called AZ sessions. Around 500 people from different organizations, internal, external to Airbus, went to this workshop. And to prepare these 150 workshops, we have done around 400 preparatory meetings that we call sponsor meetings. Could you explain what is the 350 PTTPLM? In fact, PTTPLM is a project launched end of 2007, reporting to the head of program 350. And in fact, it's a multifunction team composed of engineering process, IT development, COC, COE, different business. And the objective is to deliver a set of common tools, process and method to the 350 designer community for the development of the 350 program. How you could define an AZ in terms of methodology and mindset? In fact, an AZ, it's a room, special rooms, it's dedicated teams of experts in the management of a workshop, consultant, where we treat all the complex topics, difficult topics for the project with the different actors from different organizations. And through an AZ, we can resolve quickly with a clear agenda, clear objectives, the different topics. The extended, the AZ is also the extended plateau from the physical plateau, because during the last 2 years, 500 different people came in this AZ. Where in fact we have only 100 people on the plateau and 400 joined during these AZ sessions. According to you, what's the management of such a big program like your program PTTPLM is more efficient thanks to the AZ? I think the AZ, it basically integrate more people, means we have more integrations of the different actors, not only based on the plateau. Also reinforce the project management, supporting the different milestones of the project, and also is developing the mindset of a customer, for our customer, where in fact we know that we have to deliver for a customer, that is the programs. But on top of that, also previous experience or project on PLM in Airbus was not completely successful, and the fact to inject or to start a new way of working was really to change initial conditions to have a chance to succeed in terms of a big project like PLM. The prerequisite, what are the conditions to have a successful AZ? First, it's a strong sponsorship in terms of which AZ we have to do. It's the project leader of the PTTPLM who decide which topics are treated. Even if the team, my team can propose topics, at the end I decide which topic we keep. In addition, we don't try to cover topics or long term, and really topics that we cover was topics which are for the next months, next weeks, or a set of topics which is consistent. In addition, for all invitations came from my email to show that was important, and on the important AZ and sponsor meeting I am present. Also, what is good with AZ is that there is a very simple methodology, which is scan, focus, and act, which allow all the participants to be active from the first 10 minutes of the workshop. What is the added value from the AZ for such projects as the 350 PTTPLM? Two things. First is the federation of the teams, because it's an excellent plateau where for some events we use the AZ. We use also the Agora. It's also a powerful tool for complex topics, and like that the team feel comfortable when we have complex topics to be managed. and also it's a quick allow a quick alignment of the different actors. Also in terms of decision and deliverables, in fact, we can accelerate some decisions, we can accelerate some sharing, some alignments, and it's allowed to deliver some tangible outputs very quickly, some action plans, some planning, integrated plannings, also some big milestone of some projects, and also way of working. And I think in terms of timing, probably the AZ has saved 1 year on the 2-year plans. Without the AZ, probably we had deliver what you deliver in 2 years, more in 3 years. Could you give some example on which type of topic you are working on the AZ, which type of problematics or issues? In fact, whatever the type of issue, we start mainly at the beginning of the project to work on the process, project management, milestone, way of working, was the beginning of the project to align all the actors. After also we work on some key topics like X enterprise, or also to mature quickly a complex project around the full 3D topics. And in fact, we can manage whatever we want in terms of the AZ. And recently, the program director of 350 organized an AZ with all the management team around the risk. And he found the method very funny because even if people worked, but was with fun. Could you give some example of tangible outputs delivered thanks to the AZ, some success? I think that the AZ is behind all the success of the PDT-PLM. In fact, PDT-PLM deliver in 2 years in content and planning many things that without the AZ you will deliver in 3 years. I think it was mainly the success of the AZ. In addition, recently for a big migration, we use also the AZ as a war room to manage the daily drumbeat of these migrations. How the other teams, management, supplier perceive these tools, this room. In fact, the team accepted it from the beginning, management also. Even supplier came to make some workshop in this AZ, and they also appreciate the efficiency and the soft approach of this methodology. Few people found it as a bit special, but they were not many at the beginning, and now we have very few people having this attitude. The AZ is seen as the agora of the plateau, where in fact you are it's a good environment where you are working, but in a fun spirit. In addition, the secret of the AZ is probably not visible by all the actors. Is the preparation of this AZ, what you call sponsor meeting, which is very demanding, where you have to prepare. You make many meetings before the AZ, not visible by all the actors. And also, what it's another secret is that the people have to work in time boxings, and in short time they have to deliver. And this, they are not used to work like that. Could you quantify the acceleration bring to the project? What is the return of investment of such project structure team? In fact, thanks to the AZ, we probably deliver in 2 years what we could deliver in 3 years, and perhaps not with the same quality and contents. And when you have a project that costs around 100 million on 2 years, you see that the AZ costs probably less than 1% for 50% more deliverables. And if you have to redo it, I think we'll do exactly the same thing. Do you think that inside Airbus, such tools has its place? Where in priority? In fact, in Airbus, all areas that have to manage project, change management project, or even IT project could have such a structure with the difficulty to share it between the different entities and to have clear rules to share the priority and the resource.